In this, our third video from our Hawaii trip, we are going to check out the Disney Aulani Resort, stop by the Green World Coffee Farm, and have lunch at the famous Giovanni Shrimp Truck in the North Shore before we visit the Waimea Botanical Garden for the Toa family luau. Alright, we have had our tasty breakfast to get us all full of energy. And now Jack and I are going to go walk over and pick up the Turo. And we're going to head out. So let's go. If you don't know, Turo is a car sharing app where people rent out their personal cars. It's way easier than using a regular car rental service, and we use it a lot on this trip. Alright, this is our ride. This Jeep 4xe Wrangler 4-door. So this is our Turo. Pretty easy to find, although we walked right by it the first time. Missed it. So we're going to check it out and then head on our way. Heading over to the Aulani. Pretty neat, huh? Yeah. This way. You don't want to go through the instead of around it?
I told Mom they should do day passes here. Did they used to?
Yeah, I can't remember.
We saw it right down the street.
Yeah. Look at that big turtle. Really big.
Wow.
Yeah. Ginormous koi fish.
That's not real, is it?
That turtle?
Yeah.
No. But if you get the tablet and do the little search, when you find there's all these different stations, that's one of them, and it talks about the turtle, and I think it shoots water. So. Yeah, that's kind of crazy. Do they do magic bands here?
I think so.
Yeah, I guess not. Mongoose. I know, they're coming up on the rocks. Hello, gecko. Hi. Hi. Bye-bye, gecko. Oh, they have the Mickey shaved ice, remember?
They have spirit.
Sure.
They have swim spirit.
door's just heavy.
Aloha.
Aloha.
Like that when I was like a teenager.
Oh yeah, with that pattern on it.
That cover up is a little crazy.
They have sunglasses, Kira. They have ones with little Mickeys on them. Which ones? Yeah. How do they look?
I don't know, I can't really put them all the way on.
My dad used to work the animal fields up there though, a long time ago.
Oh, those are cute.
Yeah.
2 4 seasons.
Yeah, those are pretty plain. Do they have a Mickey on them at least? No.
J&J.
We've had a lot of other vloggers.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
It's just been nice to kind of like, you know, chat with them, meet them.
Yeah.
Adults in Disney was here. Got to meet them.
Ordinary Adventures.
Ordinary Adventures
Yeah.
was here.
Yeah, we're tiny, but that's okay.
No, that's fine. But you know, everybody we start somewhere.
We want
Provost?
Oh,
Provost Park Pass, yeah.
Yeah, he was here too.
He's in
They're doing,
Tokyo right now.
yeah, they're doing all the Disneylands this year.
Yeah.
They're going
gonna
to
hit
Paris,
all
Tokyo,
7.
Hong Kong. Yeah,
Yeah, really fun.
very cool.
That's awesome. You have a great job.
Oh, thank you. I know, can't complain.
Yeah,
Like and subscribe, J&JTravels.
thank you.
Awesome.
Cool.
Let's check out the main gift shop, Kalepa's.
You get a t-shirt? Let me see. Hold it up. Let me see. Oh wow, that looks great. Very cool. Are you gonna get it? They have so much Duffy and Duffy Friends stuff.
I don't know why. Why is that like?
I don't know. Don't you have that pin?
Do I?
Do you?
I don't think so.
I don't think you do. I think you have the one from Castaway K.
Yeah.
What is that?
It's a Masumi. Wasu. What are they called? Masubi. It's a Disney Masubi. You should get it.
I might get that. I might get that. That won me over.
All right, shall we make our purchases? Sure. Let's go over to the other side. All right, that was a very nice visit to Aulani, and now we're gonna head up the road to the Green World Coffee Farm, and maybe get some coffee, maybe a snack, maybe a T-shirt. We'll see. What'd you think of Aulani?
It was very cool.
Pretty, huh?
Beautiful.
You want to stay there?
There was some sort of like discount.
If you pay with the Disney credit card, you get 10% off.
I don't think so, but you get the miles. The points, which you get a lot of. It's really expensive.
We got 10% off at the gift shop, and we got out without spending $300, which is amazing.
Is that what you spent last time?
Yep.
How much did we spend?
60.
60.
Yeah.
Are you getting some?
I think I'll get an iced coffee. You getting something?
Yeah.
As you can see, we have been here before. But it's a pretty neat little stop. They have all kinds of good information about coffee, and they have a little sample coffee farm outside. So we'll tour around, take a look at some of the merchandise, and see what they have. All kinds of neat signs, vintage signs. Not really too much, not too peanut butter. Peanut butter cup coffee. And then this is the chocolate covered ginger. Doesn't really taste peanut butter.
Ginger.
Chocolate covered ginger. Oh wow, that's good. That is really good. Yeah, put it right there. That's really good. I like that. Yeah. Could you try the sea salt? The chocolate covered sea salt? The coffee is like...
Thank you.
I think we have a... Don't we still have a bag of the house blend at home?
Super good.
Too salty for me. I like the ginger one. Iced coffee. Let's go back. And this is where they have all this information about how they grow their coffee. They call them cherries. Chicken. Interesting that coffee grows on these like kind of tree bush things.
Pretty peaceful in here, don't you think?
They maybe should have put some vanilla creamer in it. It's a little just coffee
plain coffee.
for being cold. What did you get?
An iced mocha.
Iced mocha, which is like coffee with chocolate. What did you get?
Iced vanilla latte with whipped.
Oh, can I try yours? Ooh, that's very vanilla-y. That was a refreshing little coffee break, and now we're gonna hit the road. We're gonna head up to Giovanni's shrimp truck. So there's actually a bunch of food trucks there. We'll check them out and see what we're gonna get for a little lunch snack before we make our way up to North Shore for our luau tonight. Well, they do not make it easy to get in here. You have to time it just right to get into the parking lot. But we did it, so we're gonna check out Giovanni's shrimp truck. There's a bunch of other food trucks here too, and we'll see what we want to get. The line at Giovanni's isn't too long. This is the crepe one. We were gonna try and get dessert crepes there, and they weren't there. Yeah. The famous Giovanni's shrimp truck. How you doing? Got a, I guess a number 1 and a number 3. Got you. And a passion orange. What number do we have? 8.
3?
That's us. All right. So you got the poke, What kind is that?
Ahi tuna.
Ahi tuna poke. So this is the lemon, what was it? It's hot?
This is like, what was it? This is like garlic lemon.
Garlic lemon?
Was it garlic? I don't know.
I don't think it was garlic, it was lemon. I got the super famous scampi, which is all garlic and goodness. That is pretty good. Has a nice shrimp taste to it and garlicky. This is pretty good. You want to try one? You trying the lemon shrimp?
Yep.
Also, for some reason, I was like super hungry, and then I got coffee, and now I'm like not very hungry, but yep.
Pretty good. Want to try one of these ones? Yeah, those are good, huh? These are their world famous ones.
Have you already eaten this one?
Yeah.
Is it good?
How is your poke? It's good?
Good. Not as flavorful as the one that I had last night, though.
Oh. Not that good. Not as good?
Nope.
Alright, let me try your poke.
Like, doesn't it look like it should be so flavorful?
Yeah.
But I mean,
Got all kinds of stuff on it.
it's not. I like the one last night better, I think.
From the ABC store. Yeah. It's kind of mild, I guess you'd say.
I don't know, it really doesn't have a ton of flavor.
It needs another sauce on it.
Something spicy. Finally! An hour later.
Yeah.
Are you
Steak
hungry?
always takes forever, remember? Mama got the steak from, what's the name of that food truck?
I don't know, but I'm not sure how I'm going to eat this. I don't have a knife.
Super awesome.
I think that happened last time too. You had to just like tear it.
Pretty good.
Pretty good.
You want some?
You could have grabbed it with your hand.
No.
So what did you say?
It's not the best steak I've ever had, but pretty good.
No, you've had some pretty good steak.
After a really long time.
Yeah, the steak always does, remember? I had my sandwich and Dave had his sandwich and we were still waiting for you guys to get your food. Okay, so what did everybody think of the Giovanni's food trucks?
Not as good as last time.
No?
Nope.
They were okay.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought the scampi shrimp at Giovanni's was good. It wasn't amazing.
I think it's a lot of hype.
It seems like it's a lot of hype, and it's getting into it is really difficult. Like, trying to park there is near impossible. You have to be really, really lucky and get there right at the right time. And you can't park anywhere else in town.
Nope.
So it is pretty difficult. A lot of hype. Not that great. Jack, how was the other shrimp?
It was pretty good.
Pretty good? You said the steak you've had better?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, it was better last time.
And it's not cheap.
No, not cheap.
Yeah. So, all in all, I'd say 3 out of 5. I don't understand why people rave about it.
Yeah, I'd say 2.5 out of 5.
2.5?
Yeah.
Yeah, not the greatest. I don't think I would go back.
No, I'm good. Been there twice.
Yeah, for as much work as it is to try and get there, I don't think I would go back. But onward. We're heading to
Turtle Bay.
maybe Turtle Bay.
The coffee place was good though. That was 5 out of 5.
The Green World Coffee. Yeah, that was pretty good.
Well, that's it for this video. Join us next time when we try to find Turtle Bay and we visit the Waimea Botanical Garden for the Toa family luau. Be sure to subscribe for that video, and thanks so much to our subscribers, and thanks to you for watching.